We are in Trentham Monkey Forest. Ruth, which way are we going, man? Let's go. Let's do this thing. All right, let's go in. All right, we're gonna watch a health and safety video before we can go in.
Welcome to Monkey Forest. Do not touch or feed the monkeys.
Do you understand that?
No M&Ms.
Oh, okay, we found one of the feeding zones. Yes, my guy just cotching. What's he doing? He's like digging. Is he eating termites? What are you eating, bruv? This man's getting shook. Where does monkeys looking at other monkeys? Someone's in the treetops there. There's some up there. Monkeying around, mate. Alright, we found a little baby one here. Little baby monkey. Right, so a flock of birds flew off and the baby monkey got scared. So now he's grabbed onto the mum. He'll grow into them. This one's just chilling. Wagwan fam. Shall we do the quiz? Where do we spend the winter? You're thinking A?
I think A.
I'm thinking A as well. A's the answer. Bloody geniuses, mate.
I'm just a monkey expert. I am here.
What? You're the monkey expert?
Yeah.
Alright, monkey talk. So if the teeth are chattering, these monkeys use this mainly so they don't be friendly. Your turn. You're gonna try it. Are you? Oh my god, no, I'd be terrified. Do it again. What? I don't know what she's doing. Alright, so Ruth's got loads of questions and she's asking me them and I'm just like, I'm not an expert. So we're gonna go find an expert and ask some questions. Alright Ruth, look, there's some experts over here. Let's ask them the questions. Hi guys, are you experts? Yeah. Yeah, my mate here's got a question for you and like she's asking me and I was like, I don't know, like they probably know. So
are they like all one group? Like they live communally?
So different social groups. So you've got 3 different social groups within the forest. The one down here is that group. Got the one at the top of the hill is about 70 monkeys that live there, and there are some that live in the trees on that side of the forest as well.
alright, so I recorded a bit of the conversation that Ruth was having with the experts, but I didn't want to film all of it. So Ruth, do you want to summarise what they told us?
So they're social. So there's 3 groups within the forest, and each group will have their own dominant male, who tend to try and avoid each other because they don't like one another, and if they do come into contact, there's a bit of like showings of dominance, but they're not very conflict driven. What else did she say? The babies, when they're born, they're 600 grams and can sit in your palm of your hand, and the mums will go up to the trees and give birth overnight and then just come down with the baby.
Yeah, that's true. You memorised all of that quite well actually. That's what Oxford education does for you, mate. Yeah. The baby wants a melon as well. Oh, the baby's getting vexed. Oh look.
I've had enough of you today. How come they can get away with it with But if you look straight through there, oh, he's going to fall over. He's going to fall off.
Oh, he's doing some babysitting, yeah? So the little monkey on this one, I think it's the 6-week-old one. Boy, Ruth, you're scaring it.
Not me, it's maybe its friend.
You scared it.
My friend, not
There's one down there as well, look. We got to the exit now, so that was our little monkey tour. It was pretty cool. What do you reckon, Ruth?
I really enjoyed it. I thought the monkeys were really cute. I liked it when they fought with each other. I think they're just cute.
We're going to call it a day and head back to Oxford. I hope you enjoy.